Alright, so we're here in this massive parking lot here, and my buddy Michael's got his awesome cars here. We got the BMW i8 and the Lamborghini Aventador. We're just gonna play around with the cars and the Skydio and the Rion and just kind of putz around and see which one's faster, do some auto following tests. Should be pretty fun. Alright, subscribe and let's ride. So first we're going to do a test of the Rion versus the BMW i8, and the i8 is on E-mode only. So let's see who wins down this stretch of road first.
Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that giddy button to a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen.
So the Rion just took the i8 on this stretch here when the i8 was in E-mode only. That's pretty crazy. So now we're going to do a sports mode launch and see which one wins.
Machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we own the road. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Red on the
So there is a big difference in sports mode launch, obviously. So now we're going to do an acceleration test of the Aventador versus the Rion. Obviously just down the straight path here, so we'll see what happens. Obviously the Rion wouldn't win in a top speed test, but we're just going to have fun and see which one can accelerate faster. That was awesome. That was awesome. That Rion just has so much power. I mean, I love the Aventador. It's an amazing car, and I would kill to have one. But just seeing these two together is really cool. So now we've got the Skydio following the car, and I told him to see if he can lose the Skydio. We're just in a parking lot, so it might be hard, but on the city streets, it'd be no problem at all. Let's see how it does. All right, guys, I think that's all we got for this episode. We just wanted to have some fun in the parking lot here with these cars, the Rion and the Skydio. Definitely gonna do more of this in the future, so if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you all next time. Peace out.